Welcome students. Today's session discuss 11th standard already discussed for preparations of alcohol. The type alcohol is Grignard reagent. How to prepare is the alkyl halide. Discuss for nucleophilic substitution reaction for alkyl halide with sodium hydroxide base. Alkyl is R group, halide is halogens group X. So X equal to fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine to give the product alcohol and sodium halide. Another example is addition to the propylene CH2 bond double bond CH single bond CH3 propylene with water to give isopropyl alcohol or IUPAC name propane to all. So some Grignard reagent will be apply SN2 reactions, methyl magnesium bromide or phenyl magnesium bromide is a Grignard reagent. React with methanol. Consider ether and you will be the bond formation of CH2 group will be attached to the phenyl group. So consider C6H5 bond CH2 group attached and MgBr oxide MgBr attached. So this group will be attached of the center carbon position. And next will be that position react with water to give the phenyl methanol and magnesium hydroxide bromide. So next will be consider another preparation method. The more preparation method is also given. You will be work out the follow. And next you will be hydrogenation method. Hydrogenation diboron react with propylene to give the product tripropyl boron. The tripropyl boron react with water, react with hydrogen peroxide to give propane 1-all. And next important reduction of carbonyl compound. Acetone react with acetone CH3 C double bond O CH3 in presence of lithium aluminum hydrate and water to give product is the propane to all. Remove the bond, double bond breakup and to form of alcohol propane to all CH3 bond CH3 bond hydrogen bond OL. So propane to all 1 2 3 propane all to all. Second carbon position will be alcohol propane to all. Next will be consider is the ethyl ethanoate. So ethyl ethanoate is a oxygen increasing of ethyl ethanoate is also lithium aluminum hydrate to give product of ethanol. So reduction of carbonyl compound. So next will be consider preparations of glycol. Ethane 1,2 glycol. So ethane react with water. So in cold alkaline potassium permanganate KMnO4 in presence of oxide in to give product 1 and 2 2 times of alcohol diol 1, 2 diol ethane all carbon to carbon bond single bond. So ethane 1, 2 diol. Next preparations, very important preparations of glycerol. So glycerol, preparation of glycerol palmite. So glycerol palmite with sodium hydroxide to give 1 2 3 1 comma 2 comma 3 propane 1 2 3 triol. 1 2 3 triol is considered is called glycerol. Next important will be like that Lucas reagent. How to the find out? How to the find out? Lucas test is already 11th standard. The second volume organic chemistry will be discussed. Lucas reagent. Zinc anhydrous zinc chloride with HCl, concentrated HCl is a Lucas reagent. So Lucas reagent, how to the find out to primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. So primary alcohol will be ethanol, is a primary alcohol, and secondary alcohol is also propane 2-ol, second carbon atom will alcohol, and tertiary alcohol is a 2-methyl propane 2-ol. So find out the clue word. 2 methyl group present, secondary alcohol. 3 methyl group also present of the same carbon atom attached to alcohol, tertiary alcohol. So how to the find out? So react with ethyl alcohol, add hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride. The no reaction in room temperature. So he will be that the heat involved, the test tube will be heat increase, turbidity appear, precipitate appear. And next consider secondary alcohol with Lucas reagent. What is the Lucas reagent? HCl with zinc chloride. So to give the product, chlorine will be attached to the alcohol group. To give the product is 2-chloropropane. Second carbon atom chlorine attached. So remove of the OH and hydrogen to give the water molecule is removed. So 2-chloropropane slowly appear of turbidity is the secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol will be considered same, will be attack of the alcohol part in HCl. So remove of the water molecule. Another to give the product 2-chloro, second carbon atom 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. So immediately appear of turbidity. So normal temperature, Lucas reagent, primary alcohol do not reactive, and secondary alcohol slowly appear of turbidity. Another one, tertiary alcohol, Lucas reagent is immediately appear of turbidity. So is the important points. Next important, Victor-Meyer test. Victor-Meyer test. So how to the find out the same primary, tertiary, secondary alcohol is like that Victor-Meyer test. So will be the 4 step. So main step is also primary alcohol taken and add with phosphorus in alkyl iodide. Alcohol converted to alkyl iodide by treated with iodine with phosphorus. Next will be the product will be added silver nitrate to form of nitroalkane. Third one added to the nitric acid with sodium nitrite with hydrochloric acid, and last final the product is add potassium hydroxide. The 4 steps. So primary alcohol, first step will be added phosphorus and iodine. To give iodine to attack, remove the alcohol group, add to ethyl iodide or iodoethane. And next second rules will be the silver nitrate added. So nitroethane to give product. The nitroethane to the intermediate product is also nitrous acid will be added and potassium hydroxide added to give the product is red color in primary alcohol. Consider the secondary alcohol, propanol to added to the pass to the iodine with phosphorus to give product 2-iodopropane. Add silver nitrite to nitropropane. Next will be nitrous acid with potassium hydroxide added, blue color appear. the secondary alcohol is blue color appear. And the next third one will be consider tertiary alcohol 2-methyl propane to all react with phosphorus with iodine to give product 2-iodo 2-methyl propane, and added react with silver nitrate to give product 2-methyl 2-nitropropane, and nitrous acid you will be add no reactions of tertiary alcohol. So primary alcohol find out red color, secondary alcohol is a blue color, and tertiary alcohol is no reactions in the potassium alkaline potassium hydroxide, and no reactions into the third steps. So primary alcohol is gives red color, secondary alcohol is a blue color, no coloration will observed to the tertiary alcohol. Next will be the properties. Next class will be discussed, students, is the most important questions Lucas reagent and Victor Meyer test. Lucas reagent and Victor Meyer test is the 2-mark question. Is a very important of Lucas reagent and how to find out the alcohol. Same question will be next will be discussed, and find out the Victor Meyer test. Victor Meyer reagents will be apply for same primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. 2 important questions like that for repeated questions for public. Next class will be properties will be discussed. Thank you to all students.